So I just got this Geek chef stand mixer. Wanted something less expensive, but that can do everything I wanted. So I got this. I didn't like the reviews I saw on Amazon. They were like mixed review, Amazon and Walmart. But I got it anyway. That's the manual. It has some grip at the bottom to grip your surface. You press the button to tilt the head. You apparently need to hold the top because the head flips really fast. You also have to hold it to press it down. The bowl is quite big, 4.5 liters. And when you put it, you twist it to snap. I think it's beautiful. And it has this cover with a space where you can be pouring in stuff. Comes with a lot of tools for making different things. That's for batter, like soft batter, you know, like cake, cookie dough, brownies, pancakes, waffles. They have the whisk for whisking eggs, ice cream, milkshake, whipping cream. They have this hook for dough, like a very hard dough, like bread and bagels. I actually bought it for bread. That's all, because I want to sometimes use machine to knead my bread. So it pretty much has everything like all other stand mixers. And it's beautiful just looking at it. It has 12 speeds, and the regular recommendation is that you start very slowly before you get to a very faster speed. You put the again, you need to press the button to tilt the neck down. I guess I have to try one of these tools. Maybe. Yeah, I'll try one. So I will be mixing sugar and butter. Let's see how it goes. Again, you start with a slower speed, then increase gradually. It's creamy and fluffy. I will do a follow-up review if I have a problem with the rest of the tools. Bye!